Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Welcome to our video on 8 healthy fruits you should be eating and 8 you shouldn't. Fruits are essential for a balanced diet and are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that boost your health. In this video, you'll discover which fruits can enhance your well-being and which ones to avoid. By making informed choices, you can maximize the benefits of your fruit intake, leading to improved energy levels and overall health. Let's dive in. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Healthy fruit number 1, blueberries. Blueberries are a powerhouse of antioxidants which help combat oxidative stress and may support brain health. Their low calorie count and high fiber content make for a guilt-free snack that keeps you full longer. You can easily incorporate blueberries into your diet by adding them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal, or simply enjoying them alone. Their sweet flavor and vibrant color make them a delightful addition to any meal. Healthy fruit number 2, apples. Apples are a nutritious choice, packed with fiber that supports digestive health and promotes heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels. With a wide variety of flavors and types from sweet to tart, there's an apple for everyone. Enjoy them raw for a crunchy snack or incorporate them into healthy recipes like salads, smoothies, or baked dishes. Adding apples to your diet is a delicious way to boost your overall health. Healthy fruit number 3, avocado. Avocados are unique for their healthy monounsaturated fats, which promote heart health by reducing harmful cholesterol levels. They also aid in weight management, as their creamy texture helps you feel full and satisfied. The versatility of avocados is impressive. You can enjoy them in salads, spread on toast, blended into smoothies, or even as a base for creamy sauces. Incorporating avocados into your meals can elevate both flavor and nutrition. Healthy fruit number 4, oranges. Oranges are renowned for their high vitamin C content, which boosts your immune system and fights infections. Additionally, their high water content helps keep you hydrated, making them a refreshing choice. Enjoying fresh oranges allows you to savor their natural sweetness, while freshly squeezed oranges juice can be a delicious way to start your day. Incorporating oranges into your diet is a tasty way to enhance your health. Healthy fruit number 5, bananas. Bananas are a convenient and healthy fruit option packed with potassium, essential for maintaining muscle function and heart health. Their natural sugars provide a quick energy boost, making them an ideal snack before or after workouts. Additionally, bananas aid in muscle recovery post-exercise due to their nutrient profile. You can enjoy them, blend them into smoothies, or slice them onto cereal for a nutritious and delicious treat. Healthy fruit number 6, strawberries. Strawberries are delicious and nutritious. Their high antioxidant content helps combat inflammation and supports heart health. They make for a guilt-free treat with a low calorie count and an impressive amount of vitamin C. You can easily incorporate strawberries into your diet by adding them to salads for a refreshing twist, or using them in desserts like smoothies and parfaits. Enjoy their sweet flavor while boosting your health. Healthy fruit number 7, kiwi. Kiwis are a nutritional powerhouse, boasting high levels of vitamin C and fiber, essential for overall health. Their unique combination of nutrients can aid in digestion and promote gut health. Kiwi's sweet and tangy flavor makes them a delightful addition to any meal. You can enjoy them in refreshing fruit salads, blend them into smoothies for a vibrant twist, or eat them on their own for a nutritious snack. Healthy fruit number. Pineapple. Pineapples are delicious and have health benefits. Its bromelain content offers anti-inflammatory properties, making it great for recovery and reducing swelling. Additionally, pineapple is rich in vitamin C, which supports immune function and aids digestion. The tropical flavor of pineapple can elevate both sweet and savory dishes. Consider adding it to stir-fries and salsas, or blending it into smoothies for a refreshing and nutritious meal boost. Unhealthy fruit number 1, dried fruits. While dried fruits may seem healthy, they can be harmful due to their high sugar content and calorie density. The drying process concentrates the sugars, making consuming more calories easier than intended. Additionally, their small serving sizes can lead to overeating without realizing it. It's essential to enjoy dried fruits in moderation and be aware of portion sizes to maintain a balanced diet and avoid excess sugar intake. Unhealthy fruit number 2, canned fruits and syrup. Canned fruits packed in syrup often come with significant drawbacks, primarily due to the added sugars and calories in the syrup. This can lead to excessive sugar intake without the benefits of fresh fruit. Additionally, the canning process can result in losing essential nutrients, diminishing their health value. To make healthier choices, opt for fresh or frozen fruits, which retain their nutrients and provide a more wholesome option for your diet. Unhealthy fruit number 3, fruit juices. Fruit juices may seem healthy, but they often lack the fiber in whole fruits, which is essential for digestion and satiety. Additionally, fruit juices can be high in sugar, increasing calorie intake and potential weight gain. Without the fiber to slow down sugar absorption, you may experience spikes in blood sugar levels. For better health benefits, it's best to consume whole fruits, which provide more nutrients and keep you feeling full longer. Unhealthy fruit number 4, bananas, in excess. While bananas are nutritious, excessive consumption can lead to health issues due to their high carbohydrate content. Eating too many bananas may cause spikes in blood sugar levels, which can be problematic, especially for those with insulin sensitivity. Moderation is key when it comes to fruit consumption. To maintain a balanced diet, it's essential to enjoy a variety of fruits, ensuring you receive a wide range of nutrients without overloading on any single type. Unhealthy fruit number 5, grapes in excess. Grapes can be a delicious and healthy snack, but consuming them excessively can lead to downside due to their high sugar content and calorie density. Overindulging may contribute to weight gain and blood sugar spikes. Portion control is essential when enjoying sweet fruits like grapes. To balance your intake, mix grapes with lower sugar fruits such as berries or melons to create a more nutritious and satisfying fruit salad or snack. Unhealthy fruit number 6, watermelon in excess. While watermelon is refreshing and hydrating, overconsumption can lead to digestive issues due to its high water and sugar content. Overeating can cause bloating or discomfort, especially for those with sensitive stomachs. It's important to maintain variety in your fruit choices to ensure a balanced intake of nutrients. Moderation is key. Enjoy watermelon as part of a diverse diet to avoid excessive sugar intake while savoring its delicious flavor. Unhealthy fruit number 7, fruit smoothies with added sugars. While fruit smoothies can be a convenient way to enjoy fruits, many commercially prepared options contain added sugars and are high in calories, making them less healthy. These extra sugars can lead to weight gain and blood sugar spikes. Use whole fruits and natural ingredients like yogurt or nut milk to create nutritious smoothies. Encourage viewers to make healthy smoothies at home, allowing them to control the ingredients and enjoy a wholesome drink. Unhealthy fruit number 8, fruit-flavored snacks. Fruit-flavored snack can be misleading as they often contain little to no real fruit content and are loaded with high levels of added sugars. These processed treats may seem healthy, but can contribute to excessive sugar intake and the lack of essential nutrients. It's crucial to read labels carefully for hidden sugars. Instead of reaching for these snacks, encourage choosing whole fruits, which provide natural sweetness and a wealth of vitamins and minerals. We discussed 8 healthy fruits to include in your diet, such as blueberries and avocados, while highlighting 8 unhealthy options, like dried fruits and fruit-flavored snacks. Making informed dietary choices is essential for your overall health and well-being. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for more content on healthy eating and lifestyle tips.